Uh, we have with us one more patient, Mrs. Shylotte. She was suffering from both the heel pains for a very long time. Back home at her native place, she had been treated by many procedures. Even surgery was done, but she was not relieved. So she came to us, she sought our help in relieving the pain, and we definitely made it a point to give her help to us. We have very meticulously done a GFC and a platelet-rich plasma transplant onto her, both the heels, so that her pain goes off. This is a stem cell therapy, which is the newest therapy in town, which will help such type of patients to regain her walk. So today is the second day of her exact injection given in, and now she's much more comfortable and she's much more pain-free in walking, and she's quite happy. She has been suffering for a very long time, around 10 to 15 years also back home, with no relief. Whatever treatment she has done over there, the symptoms have just resulted in pain relief for a minimal period of time. But here we have given her a long-term treatment, and we hope that she'll get much and much better over a period of time as the day progresses. So let's hear it from the patient itself.
Yeah. Okay, I'm here with Dr. Abhisar in Noida at the hospital called Yatharth in India. I've been here for 15 days, admitted 2 days with my heel pain. They've been too long with these heel pains, I think more than 20 years. But it's from yesterday, with what they do with my heels, I'm feeling better. Thank you, India. Thank you for treating me. Thank you for everybody who was with me, who was taking care of me, including the nurses and everyone. Bye, India.
Thanks so much.